Floral Design for Beginners. I'm Sandy McVeigh, and I'm so glad you decided to join me today. So, who are you? Are you right for this course? Let's find out right now. Are you someone who's a creative spirit who just loves making things? Designing with flowers is a really beep. Hello, and welcome to Floral Design for Beginners. I'm Sandy McVeigh. So is this course right for you? Let's find out right now. Are you a creative spirit? Do you love making things? Do you love making people happy? Do you love flowers? Well, if those are all true, this is a good sign that this course is for you. How about, are you an avid gardener? Do you like to grow things? Do you like to share those things with other people, like your neighbors, your friends, your family, your co-workers? This course might be for you. What about the people that are feeling entrepreneurial? You thinking about starting your own business? You always had a knack with flowers? You think you might want to branch out and start your own floral business? Well, this might be just the right place for you to start. So whatever your reason, if you check the box yes for any of those ideas, or maybe there's something else. If this idea intrigues you, I'm happy to have you along for this ride, and I'm so glad that you joined this course.